How Elon Musk lost $200 billion in 1 year. If there's an award for losing money, Elon Musk would have won it in 2022 after losing $200 billion. The former world's richest man did not only leave his spot to Bernard Arnault, but also set a record as the first man in history to lose $200 billion. How did Musk climb so far only to fall so hard? Tesla CEO Elon Musk is no stranger to mind-blowing and newsworthy things, negative or positive. The 51-year-old has had a pretty interesting entrepreneur story, like developing and selling his first software at 12 and making his first $22 million at 28. In case you didn't know, he was the second person ever to cross the $200 billion threshold after Jeff Bezos. In October 2022, Musk shocked the world by buying the Twitter app for $44 billion. Proof that you can buy pretty much anything if you're wealthy enough. But that big purchase has cost Elon Musk more woes than he bargained for. Experts say that the billionaire overpaid for Twitter and staked way too much of his Tesla stocks into it. And now, Tesla stocks have hit rock bottom, and more than half of Musk's net worth has been wiped out. Will Musk ever recover from such an epic loss? At its peak, Tesla was worth more than the 12 largest automakers combined, notwithstanding the fraction in their sales. As of October 2021, Tesla's market cap reached $1 trillion, making them the sixth company in US history to achieve such a feat. They ended 2021 with a net worth of $340 billion. But the recent events have made critics to question the worth of Tesla, whether the company truly deserved the trillion-dollar evaluation it received at the start of the year. First, the company missed its major growth targets and began to scale back production to China. In its fourth quarter deliveries, the company also missed Wall Street's estimates, reason being that their new delivery of cars had fallen below expectations. From the compiled analysts' estimates, Wall Street expected Tesla to report about 427,000 vehicle deliveries for the year's final quarter, but they failed. And Musk blamed the shortage on the rise in the Wall Street's interest rate. In a tweet, Musk said Tesla's annual order run rate in Q4, and this includes the significant discount of about 1 million units. The company expected to sell 2 million units as the target in 2023. Because of this, we're expecting more challenges in 2023 because of the increased interest rate. He added that for Tesla to grow back to its full potential, the company will need to either reduce its growth targets and run its factories with lower capacities, or try to sustain and increase the price that cuts globally across other margins. This can only mean one thing: a sales strategy or more losses. The demand for Tesla's electric cars hit the rock, weakening their competition against other established automakers they had grown above the previous year. Amidst all of these challenges, Tesla shares began to drop by 11% per day. Overall, the shares had a total of 65 drops in December 2022, and the company started offering discount sales. The evidence of car buyers losing interest in Tesla's offer and the company's miscalculations soon became glaring to the public when Tesla offered 2 rebates to buyers taking deliveries with an initial discount of $3,750, which they later doubled up to $7,500. This rebate offer alarmed the investors because such a discount rate was too much and uncalled for. Immediately, they swung into action and sent the stock plunging by 37% in December 2022. The bulk of Elon Musk's wealth is tied up in Tesla, meaning most of his investments come from the shares he has in Tesla. Investing in Twitter was probably one of Musk's best decisions at the time he made it. Little did he know it would cost him so much in the long run. The billionaire CEO purchased Twitter for $44 billion, selling his share from Tesla to cover the purchase. This move made many investors accuse him of mishandling Tesla's funds because they felt the purchase was unnecessary. Away from the accusations, Musk took Twitter private and began to pay more attention to it than Tesla. It is disheartening that Tesla's sales have tumbled in recent weeks, a great fall from $340 billion to $137 billion. This massive loss has made him the only man in history to lose $200 billion within the twinkling of an eye, something most of us can't even take lightly. While many feel that his bizarre decision of using a huge amount of Tesla shares to purchase Twitter was a wrong turn, others feel that laying off Twitter employees is what has made him lose track of how things need to be done right. Because thinking about it, What he did isn't the proper way to run a social media site. But surprisingly, Musk isn't bothered a bit. Recently, he even tweeted that Tesla is doing just fine. Even when a handler tweeted, "If you're having a bad year because you lost a lot of money in the market, remember that Elon Musk has lost $200 billion and is still making jokes on Twitter." To this, Elon Musk only replied with an emoji of a man shrugging, showing that he's not really as bothered as speculated. Aside from making erratic and annoying decisions, Musk is a smart money god. Soon, Tesla's stock may kick up again, and he will return to the top as the richest man in the world. But no one is sure yet. So till then, fingers crossed.